Today today we are going to do some advancements. Wait, to do some advancements in my world. So what I think I can build a little fountain. Oopsies. I need some grass to fill that up. Like that. Okay. Wait. Back I just needed a little key. Okay. So let's get the materials. Let's see. I should do a stone one, right? I should do a stone slab or something. Most slabs. Okay. I should do it with smooth stone, right? Or maybe resin. Yeah, resin is a good choice. Resin. And about resin. Chisel glad resin too. Oh, and this one. Okay, let's build the foundation of the fountain. We'll put it over here. Oh, that. Oh. Blah. Connect this all. I created a bit of a mushroom. Or maybe I just needed to extend it a bit. Nah, it's not right. Oopsies. I need grass blocks to cover the holes I made. So everything would be smooth. It would take too long, so I'm not cut it. Okay, I've done it. So how about I put it over here? There. So now, wow. No. Yeah. It's like this. And then water buckets. Water bucket. Okay. Ta-da! Yay! What should I? Oh yeah, I forgot I need to add the sea lantern and sand. How about smooth? Yeah, there. And sea lantern and fire. Cyan, green, like blue, white, like gray, black, red, orange, yellow, green. How about cyan? Blue and tail, and then uh, tail, this pencil, red stone. Okay, so I'm going to so yeah, those are unexpected occurrence. I need to go down. It is clearly 10:48. It is going to 11. So yeah, bye.